Water is one of the most important issues in any rural community. And that's why at McPhillamys, we've spent an enormous amount of time developing processes and systems to make sure our project doesn't harm the quality and supply of local water. To begin with, we'd like to clarify 3 things. Firstly, the McPhillamys project will not harm the health of the Ballubula River. Secondly, downstream users will still have plenty of access to river water. And finally, the project will not reduce the quality or amount of groundwater available to surrounding landowners. Before the project begins, we will work in consultation with government agencies to develop a robust water management plan. This plan will outline all the things we need to do in order to make sure we don't affect the quality or the availability of local water. We'll set out what our objectives are, such as not harming the downstream environment, and how we're going to achieve those goals. During construction, we'll source almost all the water we need from groundwater bores on our land. While we do this, we're going to build a 90-kilometre long underground water pipeline from the Lithgow area. This will be large enough to supply all the ongoing water requirements for the project. Another advantage of the pipeline is that it could remain once mining has finished, opening up all sorts of opportunities for supplying water to Blaney and the Central West. While this covers most of the water coming in, the really important thing is how we manage water once it reaches the site. This will be handled by our water management system. The project will have 2 types of water. The first is rainfall runoff that falls upstream of the project site. This water will be diverted via a network of dams and pipes and continue flowing into the Ballubula River without any contact with mining operation. Mine-affected water is the other kind of water on site. This includes rain that falls in areas affected by mining operations and water delivered via the pipeline. This mine-affected water will be held and used in our operations. It won't go into the river or be discharged from the site. Each type of water will be handled separately via a series of dams, drains, pipes and pumps, meaning we can recycle and reuse grey water in our operations. The system also allows us to constantly monitor the overall water situation and make sure there is no harmful impact to the downstream environment. Like you, we take water management very seriously. If you would like further information on how water will be handled at McPhillamys, please get in touch. We'd be happy to explain it in more detail.